to grab it, so you grab it first with your left hand, so you might be left-handed. So, all right, so put this here. Okay, so let's stand right, there you go. Okay, so that's step 2, that's the easiest. So that's no problem at all. So move your hand to 4. You see the 4 right there? So put your hand on the 4. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, good, you got it. Okay, easy. You want to go to 7 or 6? Okay, that's 6. So you go more, a little bit more this way. This is, hold on. That's 8. Right there is 7. So how you're holding it right there. That's 7. That's like 7.5. Okay, ready? Here we go. Wow, piece of cake. Okay, good job. Okay, so you want to try to go all the way to 10? Okay, there's 10 right there. Okay, here's 10. All right. 3, 2, 1. Very good. You got 10. Okay. You want to go to 12? Okay, there's 12. All right, this is great. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. You did 12. All right, so we got second place. You want to try all the way over here to 15? Oh, 17. Oh, she's going for the win now. Okay, here's 17. 3, 2, hold on tight. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, 3, 2, 1, you did it.
Good job, Mia.
So you're first place, okay? All right, you want to try to go 18? You are strong like Russian bear. Okay, all right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you gotta hold it a little bit. Yeah, you go. Okay, you're not using your shoulder, but okay. Now you're trying to lift it with your shoulder like this. You gotta hold it up, like hold it out like that. Okay, that's it. 3, 2, 1. You did it. She got 18.
Strong, Mia.
Wow. All right. Well, you are the winner, by you won. Okay.
Good job.
That's